Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mojito. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need fresh mint leaves, about 10 to 12 of them, white rum, 1 whole lime, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and some club soda. Also, grab a sturdy muddler, a tall glass, and a jigger for precise measurements. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to the heart of the mojito. Place your 10 to 12 mint leaves into the tall glass. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar and the juice from half a lime. Gently muddle these ingredients together. Remember, we are aiming to release the aromatic oils from the mint, not to tear the leaves apart. Once muddled, pour in 2 ounces of your favorite white rum. With your muddled mint, lime, sugar, and rum in the glass, it is time for ice. Fill your glass completely to the top with crushed ice. This ensures your mojito stays wonderfully chilled and refreshing. Next, carefully top off the mixture with about 4 ounces of sparkling club soda. Give everything a very gentle stir to combine the flavors without losing that delightful fizz. Finally, for the perfect presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your mojito. Add a fresh sprig of mint and a small lime wedge to the rim of your glass. Your refreshing, homemade mojito is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. This classic cocktail is truly a delightful treat, perfect for unwinding after a long day or sharing with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.